Hello everyone. In this video we're gonna check out this beautiful 2016 loaded Subaru Outback Limited Edition with all the options. Of course it comes with all-wheel drive. We're gonna go over options such as backup camera, navigation system and whatnot. Beautiful rims, great tires on it. And as usual, let's start from the exterior and work our way to inside of the vehicle. Okay, so from the bumper, these are places for the front license plate. I see a scuff mark here, but this is not even a scuff mark. This can be taken out, so that's just some dirt in there. These can be blackened out, they can be darkened out, and that would change the looks of the car. In terms of the hood itself, it is a little bit dusty, but no issues. Fender, tires, deep tread on them. I don't want to call them new because we haven't put these tires on, but they look pretty new to me. Rims are solid. No issues here. We're going to talk about options, but it has a keyless entry, so this is similar to Toyota's keyless entry. This locks the vehicle, and if you push your hand through, it unlocks it. Okay. Beautiful side turn signals. No issues on the door except for, this is also can be taken out, though I just scuffed it. Okay. Tires are all matching. This is an all-wheel drive vehicle. You got a small tow hitch here. I don't see signs of use. Yeah, the original paint is on it, so that's a good sign. Backup camera. This is a license plate place. This is kind of dirt on them. Used to be a sticker here, looks like. This can be taken out. Small chip here, small dings here. This is dirt. Yeah, the vehicle's a little bit dusty, but other than that, I don't see any issues. Keyless entry on the passenger side as well. This locks the car. Okay, yeah, overall pretty solid, pretty beautiful. You got all the driver assist systems. You see these front collision prevention radars there, so that the windshield is clean. And as usual, let's turn on the vehicle and start checking out the options. Harman Kardon, that's gonna give you premium sound system. Again, keyless entry, keyless start. I got a key in my pocket. Let me actually show it to you. So, and I believe we have two keys of this. There we go. I'm just gonna keep this there. All right, so let's work our way into the car. So, automatic front windows and power rear windows. Okay, work as expected. Okay, the leather is premium. You have a wood here. The seat, okay, driver's seat. You have this tears here, tear marks here. This is because of Houston heat. By the way, this is a local vehicle. But other than that, you don't see much of abuse or much of a damage or use here. The power options, they all work as expected, and the stitches on it are beautiful. Okay. Checking out the rear seat on the driver's side, works as expected. The seats here are clean. Might have been used as child seat restraints here, and this is a single-handed operation for taking down the seats. Okay, and you can actually adjust the reclining position on the seat. Okay, tail gate, automatic. So there is this button here, you need to click it. Okay, pretty solid, no signs of much of a use or abuse, and these are controls for taking down the seats. Okay, let's do this and then I'll pull them up. Like I said, premium sound system, and this is your spare tire, tools, and your donuts. Okay, pretty clean. This is good. Let the tailgate close on its own. Let's go to the passenger side and the rear. Again, wood. I see scratch here, unfortunately, but other than that, everything is pretty solid and great to touch. This is a premium leather here. All right, cool. And taking it down the center. Yeah, this is all clean. This is all premium leather and feels good to the touch. Even leather on the rear side of the seat as well. Usually they have plastic there, and you got a rear heated seats as well. Great option for winter. All right, on the passenger side, no issues, pretty solid. Window control works. Again, premium sound, feels great to the touch. The seat doesn't show signs of wear or tear. It's pretty clean. Okay, so let's check out the engine compartment. I got the AC on. The AC fans are spinning, and let me fix the seat before we get there. Okay, cool. Now, popping up the hood from here. Pretty solid to me, great, well maintained, greatly taken care of, serviced like their own. And before we get in, let's look at the roof. We got a roof rack, moonroof. We're gonna check the operation out as well. And when we on our way getting in, by the way, you got memory seats as well, so you can adjust your seats and then set them up as a comfort memory for you. All these options here, tailgate, press and hold is opening it up. You can't see it from, oh, you can't see from here. Here we go. It's opening it up, and press and hold is gonna close it. I don't know what this does. I assume this adjusts the this memorizes the height of the tailgate, but you can Google that. I don't know what that is. SRF is off, traction control off, so you can control the this is side blind spot monitor system on off, lane control on off, front collision on off. Harman Kardon. And let's now close the door. It's getting hot. And before we get into the wheel and other controls, let's test our moonroof. All right, slides all the way back, and we're gonna test the tilt option as well. Tilts up and tilts down. All right, awesome. Let's close this to prevent the sun. We got a SOS and door light controls here. All right, no surprises there. Okay, garage openers. Okay, and this is auto dimming rear view mirror as well. Now, getting back to our wheel, cruise controls, phone controls, and audio controls. And this is great feature. It comes with premium vehicles, and obviously the Subaru is one of those premium vehicles. This allows you to adjust your automatic cruise based on the distance between you and the vehicle on the front. I believe, I forgot what they're called, but this is radar adjusted cruise control. This is a great feature. Shift paddles, but these vehicles come with CVT transmission anyway. I don't know why you would use that, but it gives you a good feeling. Automatic light controls and your wiper blade controls. In terms of the main dashboard, everything is clean. The blinking is my seat belt. I don't have it on. In terms of mileage, 121,000 and some change. Let's call it 122. This display will show you the lane control and everything as you drive. But in terms of drivability, it drives great, drives like new. So on the entertainment and central dash here, you got a navigation system. If you go to home, you have all these options. If you go to apps, you got Starlink, Pandora. I think it's tough to see because of sun, but you can connect your phone and control these apps from there. If you go to info, yeah, once your phone is controlled, phone is connected, you can check sports, weather, fuel, and whatnot. Okay, vehicle monitor, maintenance, and all that. Okay, in terms of climate control, automatic and dual climate controls. Someone has turned the passenger's heated seat on, and you have driver heated seat on as well. As we saw in the rear seats, you got heated seat controls there as well. This is your compartment with power output, aux input, and USB outputs. Okay, key, remote. You don't have to take it out of your pocket. By the way, rear backup camera comes on. This is your shifter. E-brake, different modes. X mode is going to allow you to control the speed of the vehicle. You can see that's coming on. And this is climb mode, I believe. Yeah, there you go. It comes on as well. Okay, center console. Both compartments are here, and I'm not. Yeah, I put it on. Okay, cool. And let's check. Okay, and you have the wheel lock. Right, I forgot to close the passenger window. Having said that, great vehicle, drives like new, all-wheel drive, all these perks and options, top of the line features. Do come check it out, test drive it, let us know how you feel about it, and thank you very much for watching this video. I hope to see you guys at AZ Cars.